For the ladies, the reproductive system, you want to kind of look at some anatomy of that. And again, we have, same with the guys, we have gametes, gonads, and a copulatory organ. So the gametes for the ladies are the ova. Ova, again, these are haploid cells. And ova are made in the gonads. The gonads for females are the ovaries. So that's this guy over here. So this thing here is the uterus, where we carry our little baby, and then off of this thing is the fallopian tube and the ovary. So the copulatory organ for a female is going to be the vagina, which is basically just a muscular tube. So this picture is kind of small, but this thing here is the vagina. And just remember, with females, the vagina goes out, has a hole that comes out. It goes into what's called the vulva. The external anatomy of the woman is not the vagina. The vagina is just the tube. The outside, which has the labia minora and the labia majora, make up the vulva, and that is the outer anatomy for females. This right here is the bladder, and then here's the urethra, so it has its own hole. The vagina has its own hole, and then back here, which isn't really shown, is the rectum and the anus, which has its own hole. There are 3 holes there. I'm amazed at how many females don't know that. So the next video, we're going to talk about how the gametes, how the ova are made.